Hey guys, it's Mr. Burns here. I want to go over some of the tough ones from economics quiz number 1, which you took right at the start of the fourth quarter. Basic economic concepts, economies, United States economy, types of businesses, circular flow, etc. So 10 tough ones. I was a little surprised. This is usually one of the easier quizzes of the school year. There are a few tough ones for sure. I was surprised with this decently high number of ones that were below 80% overall. So at this point, 132 people have taken it. So 1 and 2 looked pretty good. But number 3 was one of the tough ones. So remember, the most basic concept is scarcity. And scarcity says that everything is limited, right? And as a result, we must make decisions. We must make choices. We must give things up as a result of scarcity. We can't satisfy all of our wants. Okay? So what is an economic decision that must be made because of scarcity? And the answer is B. Okay? How to allocate limited resources. There's no equal share of the world's resources for all. There's, if you have it, you have it. If you don't, you have to get it from another country. You have to trade. You have to figure out how to get it. You have to use alternative resources. Okay? Force be used? No. There's no military intervention to take care of scarcity. All right, number 4 was one of those ones where you just didn't read it close enough. Okay? Joe has $20. He decides to go to dinner instead of the movie. So dinner is what he says yes to, his choice, the answer. The movies would be his opportunity cost. You just got to read those really carefully. Number 6 is always a tough one. The value of the tree. So if you're using something as a park, then you're keeping the trees there instead of cutting them down. Keeping the trees there, creating a park is your choice. Knocking the trees down to use for logging, for lumber or paper would be the opportunity cost. Okay? A lot of you picked resources. You got thrown off a little bit because you thought, oh yeah, they're going to use those trees to make, make buildings or something, or houses or something with wood. And in this case, you kept the park. Park's your choice. Opportunity cost, what you give up. All right, number 7. This is one of those ones that should not have been difficult. This should have been 95, 100, close to 100%. The interaction of supply and demand determines the price, the equilibrium price. All right, number 9. Now, circular flow, a little more challenging for some of you. Producers, that's another word here for businesses. So what do businesses do in the circular flow model as money flows through our economy? Businesses sell goods and services to individuals. Okay? And once you look at that word producers as businesses, it's a lot easier. Number 10, the next one. Eesh. Gross. All right, 45%, not good. If you're making products to sell, you are a business. Just like it said in question 9. They go hand in hand. I'm sure a lot of you got 9 wrong, also got 10 wrong. If individuals or households own resources, they sell the resources through labor, through their time, their energy, their skills, and as a result, they get income, they get a salary, and they use those to purchase products. So C is false. That's what businesses do. All right, all the way down to 16. So 11 to 15 were pretty good. You guys did pretty good with most of the economies. But 16 was a little bit of a struggle. Not too bad for most of you. But when everything's centrally planned, that means everything is planned by one group, which would be, in most cases, the government. So government is going to control production. Government's going to own the resources. Government's going to determine what you do in the economy. Okay? Think of a communist nation. 17. One owner, proprietorship. Edward owns a restaurant. He's responsible for all the restaurant's debts. He makes all the profit. He takes all the risk. Okay? B is a corporation. C and D are partnerships. All right, 19 and 20, the last 2. Okay, so limit the amount of risk you invest. Or limit the amount of money you invest so you can limit your risk. That would be a corporation. You can choose how much stock you want to buy. If you want to invest more, you can buy more stock, or you can buy more shares of a company stock, and then you take more risk. The more you buy, the more you risk, the more you can profit. And then the last one, straight out of the essential knowledge. If our government is going to get involved in private business, they're going to do that because the benefits outweigh the costs. In other words, hey, we're going to save all kinds of jobs by keeping this business afloat, by offering them a low interest loan that'll get them through the next year, the next week, the next year, a month, year, whatever it is, till they have to pay it back. It might be many years. Just like the government did with the automobile industry a few years ago. Okay? Alright, so that's number 20. That's all we got. Hope this helped you understand some of these questions a little at a higher level.